Ross Tire and Service is a product of over 45 years of tire and automotive service experience. After 25 years of working with Bridgestone Firestone, we established Ross Tire in order to bring quality tires and automotive repair to our customers. Our goal is to stand apart from the masses. We are convinced that a visit to have your car serviced should be a pleasant experience. At Ross Tire, we take every precaution to make everyone feel at home and to make every visitor a repeat customer. Ross Tire and Service offers complete automotive service, everything from oil changes to engine replacement, from brake repair to replacing air conditioning systems, featuring quality service along with quality tires such as Bridgestone, Firestone, Goodyear, and Michelin. Our staff has over 100 years of combined tire and automotive experience. Our sales and management team has been trained extensively in their fields, and we feature ASE certified technicians. Featuring the latest state-of-the-art equipment, we have the unique ability to bring quality service to our customers.